In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create equity accounts in QuickBooks Online. This process is essential for anyone looking to keep their financial records organized and up to date. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account, where you'll start by directing your attention to the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll find the Transactions option. Go ahead and click on that, as it will lead you to a variety of choices related to your financial transactions and accounts. Once you've clicked on Transactions, focus your eyes towards the upper area where you'll notice the Chart of Accounts tab. Clicking here will show you a comprehensive list of all the accounts you've set up inside QuickBooks Online, ranging from income and expenses to assets and liabilities. But for today's goal, we're going to add a new equity account. To do this, look at the top right corner of your screen for the New Account option. Clicking on this will open a fresh dialog box where you'll enter the details needed for your equity account. The first field you'll need to fill in is the account name. Choose a name that clearly represents the type of equity this account will hold. It could be something straightforward, like owner's equity, or any other designation that helps you identify it easily later on. Next, shift your focus to the Account Type drop-down menu. From here, you'll need to select Equity since that's the nature of the account we're setting up. This step is crucial because it ensures that QuickBooks categorizes your account correctly within your financial statements. The following item to consider is the Detail type. QuickBooks provides a variety of options under the Equity category, such as owner's capital or retained earnings. Select the detail type that best aligns with the purpose of your new equity account. After that, you have the option to enter the account's opening balance. If you're starting fresh, this might be zero. But if there's an existing amount that should be reflected in this account, this is where you'll enter that figure, along with the appropriate date. Adding a description is optional, but recommended for clarity's sake as it helps to provide context for the future. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the information you've entered, click on the Save button, and that's it. You've successfully created a new equity account in QuickBooks Online. Creating and managing accounts in QuickBooks is a vital skill for smooth financial management and can help ensure your business's financial records are accurate and organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.